Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel juice. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and a small pinch of salt. You will also need a sturdy, heavy-bottomed saucepan for even heat distribution and a heat-proof bowl to safely transfer your delicious caramel once it's ready. This simple preparation sets the stage for a perfect batch. Now, let's start the caramelization. Combine your sugar and water in the saucepan and heat it over medium-high, stirring just until the sugar completely dissolves. Once it begins to boil, stop stirring to prevent crystallization. Keep a close eye on it. In about 8 to 10 minutes, it will transform into a beautiful, rich amber color, indicating perfect caramelization. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect juice consistency. Very carefully, add 1/4 cup of hot water to the caramelized sugar. Be extremely cautious, as it will bubble up vigorously. Stir gently until the mixture is completely smooth and fully combined. Then, add a small pinch of salt to really bring out and enhance the overall flavor. Let it cool completely before moving on to storage. Once cooled, your delicious caramel juice is ready for storage and enjoyment. Transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep beautifully in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Use it to sweeten your morning coffee, drizzle over desserts like ice cream, or even flavor milk. For an extra layer of flavor, try adding 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.